You ever get paid, feel rich for about 6 hours, and then somehow your money just disappears? You didn't even buy anything crazy. Groceries, a few online orders, maybe food delivery, and then you tell yourself, okay, next month I'll save more. But next month comes, and spending still feels easier than saving. If that sounds familiar, yeah, that's not a discipline problem. That's your brain. My name is John, and I spend way too much time thinking about why our brains actively fight us when we try to save money. And if you're someone who wants to save, knows you should save, but somehow never saves as much as you plan to, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're talking about why your brain hates saving more than spending. And once you understand this, saving gets way easier. Here's the thing. People think saving is hard because they're bad with money. That's not true. Saving is hard because it goes directly against how your brain evolved. Spending feels natural. Saving feels painful. And this is where it gets really interesting. Your brain is wired for immediate rewards, not long-term outcomes. Spending gives you dopamine, relief, satisfaction. Saving gives you a spreadsheet. According to research from the American Psychological Association, immediate rewards activate the brain's pleasure centers far more strongly than delayed rewards, even when the delayed reward is objectively larger. Translation? Your brain prefers $50 today over $200 later, every time. Let's say you spend $150 a month on small, forgettable purchases. Feels harmless. But invested at a modest 7% return over 30 years, that's over $170,000. The math says save. Your brain says, yeah, but this feels boring. Saving feels like loss. Spending feels like gain, even though saving helps you. This is called loss aversion, and it's one of the strongest forces in human behavior. Saving is like going to the gym. Spending is like eating junk food. One helps your future self, one rewards your present self. Guess which one your brain votes for? Now you might be thinking, okay, John, but some people are just naturally good savers. Sure, and some people naturally like running. That doesn't mean most people do. Here's what separates good savers from everyone else. They don't rely on willpower. They remove the decision. Automatic transfers, hidden savings accounts, money that never shows up as spendable, out of sight, out of temptation. Most people try to out-discipline biology. That never works long-term. Systems beat motivation every time. I've seen people double their savings without earning more, just by automating it. Same income, same lifestyle, different system. Saving works when the money disappears before you see it. The goal is emotionally meaningful. Progress is visible. Otherwise, your brain rebels. Here's how to make saving easier starting today. Step 1. Automate savings on payday, not end of month. Step 2. Rename your savings account with a purpose. Step 3. Start small to avoid psychological resistance. Step 4. Increase savings after raises, not before. Step 5. Track net worth, not just bank balance. Look, waiting to feel motivated to save is a losing strategy. Your brain is not on your side here, and that's okay. Saving isn't about being disciplined. It's about designing your money so your brain can't sabotage you. Once you do that, saving stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling inevitable. If this video helped you understand why saving feels so hard, hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want money advice that actually works with human behavior, not against it. And comment below, do you struggle with any saving habits in particular? I'll see you in the next one.
If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get new updates.